Hello and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I am Elizabeth.
And I am James. It is great to be here with you all today.
We have a very useful topic today. It is something we do almost every single day.
Really? What is that? Is it eating? I love eating.
No, James, it is not eating. Today, we're talking about transportation.
Transportation. Getting from one place to another. That is very important.
Exactly. We will talk about cars, buses, trains, and even walking. We will help you learn the verbs and phrases you need for daily life.
This is going to be a great lesson. So, Elizabeth, how did you get here today?
That is a great question to start with. I drove my car.
You drove. So, you came by car.
Yes, I came by car. When we talk about the method of travel, we often use the word by.
By car. By bus. By train.
That is right. But there is a small trick. If you are the driver, you usually say, I drove.
I see. So, if I say, I went by car, it sounds a little bit general. But if I say, I drove, everyone knows I was the one driving.
Exactly. Now, James, how did you get here? Did you drive?
No, I do not have a car right now. My car is in the shop.
Oh no, is it broken?
Yes, it has a flat tire. So, today, I took the bus.
Listen to that phrase, everyone. He took the bus. We use the verb take for public transportation.
I took the bus. I take the train. I take the subway.
Did you have to wait long for the bus?
Yes, I waited for 20 minutes. The bus was late.
That is annoying. Public transportation can be difficult sometimes.
It is okay. It gave me time to listen to a podcast.
Let us talk about a very confusing part of English, prepositions.
Oh, dear. Prepositions are hard. In, on, at. Which one do we use?
Don't worry, there is a simple rule for transportation. James, think about the bus you took today. Could you stand up inside the bus?
Yes, the bus has a high ceiling. I could stand up and walk to my seat.
Good. If you can stand up and walk inside the vehicle, we use the word on.
Really? So, I am on the bus?
Yes, you are on the bus. You are on the train. You are on the plane.
What about a ship?
Can you walk around on the ship?
Yes, definitely.
Then you are on the ship.
Okay, but what about a car? I cannot stand up in a car. If I stand up, I will hit my head.
Exactly. You have to sit down immediately. So for a car, we use in.
In the car. I am in the car.
What about a taxi?
A taxi is a car. So, in the taxi.
Correct. I am in the taxi.
What about a truck?
A truck is small inside the cabin. You cannot walk. So, in the truck.
Okay, let me review. If I can walk, like a bus or train, I am on it. If I must sit, like a car or taxi, I am in it.
You got it. That is the golden rule.
Wait, Elizabeth. I have a tricky one. What about a bicycle?
The bicycle. Can you stand up on a bicycle?
Well, if I'm doing a trick, yes. But usually I sit on top of it.
Because you sit on top of it and you are not inside it, we say on the bike.
On the bike. On the motorcycle. On a horse.
Yes, Even a horse is transportation sometimes. You are on the horse.
That is very clear now. Thank you, Elizabeth.
Now, let's practice some verbs we use when we enter or leave these vehicles.
Okay, entering and leaving.
If we use in, we usually use the verbs get in and get out of.
Get in and get out of.
For example, I open the car door and I get in the car.
And when you arrive, you open the door and you get out of the car.
Perfect. Now, what about the bus? Remember, we are on the bus.
Do we say get in the bus?
No, because we use on, we say get on.
Get on the bus. Get on the train.
And the opposite, when we leave.
Think. Get off.
Yes, get off.
I get on the train at the station. I get off the train near my work.
That sounds very natural. Let's try a full sentence practice. Listen and repeat after us.
Ready.
I need to get in the taxi.
I need to get in the taxi.
Please get off the bus at the next stop.
Please get off the bus at the next stop.
Hurry up and get in the car.
Hurry up and get in the car.
Great job, everyone. These little words make a big difference in sounding fluent. Commute. That is a good word. Can you explain what a commute is?
A commute is the journey you take from your home to your work or to school. You do it every day.
Is your commute long, James?
It is too long. It takes me 45 minutes.
Oh, that is a long time. Is it because of the distance?
No, it is not far. It is because of the traffic.
Traffic. Everyone hates traffic.
The roads are so busy in the morning. We call this rush hour.
Rush hour. This is the time when everyone is driving to work, usually at 8 a.m. and 5 p.m.
It is funny because during rush hour, nobody is rushing. Everyone is stopped.
That is very true. We are stuck in traffic.
Stuck in traffic. That means you cannot move.
I remember one day I was stuck in traffic for 2 hours. The cars were bumper to bumper.
Bumper to bumper? What does that mean?
The bumper is the front and back part of the car. Bumper to bumper means the cars are so close they're almost touching.
That sounds terrible. When traffic is that bad, I prefer to take the subway.
Me too. The subway goes underground, so there is no traffic.
In some cities, it is called the metro, or the tube, or the underground.
But in American English, we usually say subway.
Elizabeth, imagine you are a tourist. You are in a new city. You need to take the bus. What do you say?
Okay, I am at the bus stop. I see a bus driver. I will ask, "Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?"
Yes, it does. The fare is $2.
Fare, F-A-R-E. The fare is the money you pay for the trip.
How do you pay the fare? Do you use cash?
Sometimes cash, but nowadays most people use a card, a travel card or a pass.
So you swipe your card or tap your card?
Yes, you tap your card on the reader when you get on.
What if I don't know where to get off?
That is scary. If I don't know, I ask the driver. I say, "Could you tell me when we get to Main Street?"
That is a polite way to ask. Could you tell me when we get there?
And usually the driver will say, "Sure, I will let you know."
What about trains? Trains are a bit different than buses.
Yes, For a train, you go to a station, not a stop.
Right. Bus stop, train station.
And at the train station, you wait on the platform.
The platform is the area next to the tracks where you stand.
Be careful on the platform. Do not stand too close to the edge.
Yes, please stay safe. I once missed my train because I was on the wrong platform.
Oh no, you missed it?
Yes, to miss the train means you arrived too late. The train left without you.
So what did you do?
I had to wait for the next one. It came in 30 minutes.
We often use the word catch as the opposite of miss.
I want to catch the train. I need to catch the bus.
It means to get on it successfully before it leaves.
Elizabeth, I have a question about cars again.
Go ahead, James.
I want to pick up a friend. What do I say?
You use the phrasal verb pip up.
I will pick you up at 7 p.m.
It means I will come to your house in my car and you get in.
And when the drive is finished, when I take them home.
Then you drop them off.
Drop off. Can you drop me off at the corner?
Can you drop me off at the airport?
Those are very useful phrases. Pick up and drop off.
Speaking of the airport, that is a whole other type of transportation.
Air travel. I love flying. It's so fast.
When we fly, we go to the airport. We go to the terminal.
And we have to check in.
Check in means you tell the airline you are there. They give you a boarding pass.
Boarding pass. That is your ticket to get on the plane.
And remember, we board the plane.
Like getting on. We board the plane.
We do not say get inside the plane. Well, you can, but board is much better.
The worst part of air travel is security.
Yes, going through security, you have to take off your shoes sometimes. You have to take out your laptop.
But once you are past security, you find your gate.
The gate is the door where you leave the airport to enter the plane.
Sterry, Elizabeth, do you like the window seat or the aisle seat?
I love the window seat. I like to look at the clouds. What about you? I prefer the aisle seat.
Why? You cannot see anything.
I know, but I have long legs. In the aisle seat, I can stretch my legs a little bit, and it is easier to go to the bathroom.
That is very practical, James. Very smart.
We have talked about cars, buses, trains, and planes. Is there anything we missed?
Walking. It is the most basic transportation.
That is true. Sometimes it is faster to walk.
If you go somewhere by walking, we say, I went on foot.
On foot. I went to the store on foot.
You can say, I walked. That is fine. But on foot is a nice phrase to know.
Imagine the traffic is very bad. I might say, it is faster to go on foot than to drive.
Yes, especially in the city center.
Curious, what about asking for directions when you are walking?
Good idea. Let's role play. I am lost. I am walking on the street.
Okay, ask me for help.
Excuse me, sir. I am looking for the nearest subway station.
Oh, it is very close. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Go straight 2 blocks, turn left.
Yes, it will be on your right side. You cannot miss it.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. That phrase, you cannot miss it, we use that a lot when giving directions.
It means it is very easy to see. It is big and obvious.
Let's talk about the problems with transportation again. We mentioned traffic. What else?
A breakdown.
A breakdown. That is when your car stops working completely.
My car broke down on the highway last year. It was scary. Smoke was coming from the engine.
What did you do?
I called a tow truck.
A tow truck, TOW. That is the big truck that pulls your broken car away.
It was very expensive.
Car repairs are always expensive. That is why some people prefer carpooling.
Carpooling? What is that?
Carpooling is when you and your coworkers drive together in one car. You share the ride.
Ah, I see. So today I drive, tomorrow you drive.
Yes, it saves money on gas, and it is better for the environment.
Gas. In America, we say gas. In the UK, they say petrol.
That is a good point. We also say filling station or gas station.
I need to fill up my car. To fill up means to put gas in the tank.
Let's go back to the idea of a ticket.
Okay?
There are different types of tickets. A one-way ticket.
That means you go there, but you do not come back on the same ticket.
And a round-trip ticket.
You go there, and you come back.
Usually, a round-trip ticket is cheaper than two one-way tickets.
If I'm at the train station ticket window, I would say, I would like a round-trip ticket to London, please.
And the seller might ask, first class or second class?
I always want first class, but I always buy second class. It is too expensive.
I know the feeling. The seats are a little bigger in first class, but the train arrives at the same time.
That is very true, Elizabeth. We all get to the destination at the same time.
Let's practice some listening. I am going to describe a mode of transport. You guess what it is.
I love games. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. It has two wheels. It has an engine. It is very fast. You must wear a helmet.
2 wheels, engine, helmet. Is it a motorcycle?
Yes, it is a motorcycle or a motorbike.
Okay, my turn. It is very long. It runs on tracks. It carries hundreds of people. It goes between cities.
It runs on tracks, so it must
Self-driving. That means the computer drives the car.
Yes, you just sit inside, relax, maybe read a book. The car does everything.
Would you trust it?
I don't know. Maybe. It sounds nice to sleep on the way to work.
It would certainly make the commute easier. No more road rage.
Road rage. That is when drivers get very angry at each other. They yell and honk their horns.
Beep, beep.
Yes, exactly.
Well, whether you travel by car, bus, train, or on foot, we hope you have a safe journey today.
Yes. Travel safe, everyone. And keep practicing your English on your commute.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye-bye.